Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Magic of One Click. So today we are going to type 127th program of HTML. So let's get started. We have to first open the notepad. So we'll open it and now we'll type the program. How to use over class. We'll start with doctype HTML tag, head tag, style type equals to text slash CSS, highlight, hover, color red, font size bar 20 through 22 pixels. Now we'll end style tag, head tag, body tag. We'll start body tag, highlight, href equals to welcome with the extension HTML file, CSS syntax. And now we'll end a tag and we'll use break tag. Welcome with the extension HTML, CSS tutorial. Now we'll end body tag and similarly the HTML tag. So now we'll just save it. 127 with the extension HTML and in all files. So now let us check the output. 127th program. So this is our basic output. If we click on CSS tutorial, it will show us welcome to Magic of One Click, and this is our basic output of how to use over class. And don't forget to check the text in description for the clear and basic understanding. And please like, share and subscribe the channel for amazing HTML videos.